Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F8 Pro, and let me share with you how to use a one-handed mode on this device. Alright, so let's begin with turning on this feature. So we have to open the settings and here scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on one-handed mode and turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. Basically all we have to do in order to actually apply it is to swipe our finger on the navigation bar from the center to the left or from the center to the right, something like that. And now you can see that our screen is, let's say, a little bit split off between two different areas. So here we've got this gray area. After tapping on it we can enter a regular mode, so we can quickly turn off the one-handed mode. And the second area is actually our screen, but a little bit smaller, so it could fit to this part of the screen. Basically right now it is fully active, so we can, for example, go back to the previous section, and now we can operate with only one hand. We do not need two different hands. Taking under the consideration the size of this phone, this configuration is a little bit easier to use with only one hand. If you wish to turn it off, all you have to do is to either tap on the home screen button or tap in this area, and your device will again elongate the view. And you can quickly turn on the one-handed mode just by swiping your finger on the navigation bar. So this is how it works. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.